Hello, new challenge, create a new role. You need to create a new role, okay, for your user in Azure, and the goal is to view all the resources, and the user must be able to issue support tickets. So how can you do that? So take some time, pause the video, try to find, and if you don't find, you can go and resume it. So the solution is to start with PowerShell. So we'll do it with PowerShell. So the first thing that we'll do is that we will see all the role definition. If you do that, you have so many role definition. Okay, so we're going to take one and we're going to convert it to JSON. Okay, so here I will go at the end of this PowerShell command, and I will take one with the reader one. Okay, so I will go here and type reader and support.json. Okay, so this is the first thing. You just take one role, and after we will change it. It's very, very easy. Okay, so after we will go inside it, and we will start to change it. So let's go and tap Notepad and take the reader one. When you do that, you will have all this. Okay, so the best thing is to open with Notepad++, because if you do it with this one, pay attention. You can have a lot of issue with that. So I don't know if I have Notepad++, but I will download it. So you'll be able to use it. So this is the best practice. Don't use, for example, Notepad, because it can be an issue in your situation. Okay. So this is installer, and I will run it. Okay, run, and I will install Notepad directly. So Notepad++. So this is really the best practice. Don't use Notepad. Okay, so let's go and open it. So file, open, and we go directly on my C drive here, and we open our reader, my JSON file. Okay, that's better. So first of all, you can see that in my situation, what I need in the action is, of course, I want to be able to read anything, but I must add the support Microsoft, okay? Because the thing is that I need here to say the action here. So the action, he can read everything. This is very good. So I open it, I go here, and after that, I just put a comma here, and I would add, of course, the Microsoft support. So if I do that, I just go here, I open that, and I say Microsoft will be .support, so that that user can open a support, and he has completely the right to do everything here. Okay, so that's it. So of course, something that I must change is my my async scope here, okay? Because I need to change it, because of course it will not work if I don't change it. So and I will add my subscription in my scope here. And to be able to see your subscription, you must do a get AZ subscription. So let's do it. Get AZ subscription, and here I will take, of course, my subscription. Okay, it will be all this. So it's very simple. I have my subscription ID here. This is it, and I will add it with a special format. So I take this, I go here, and now I must change my scope, of course. So here, the scope inside this will be like this. Okay, so it will be here, and here we'll tap subscription. So subscription, and after that you will copy paste your subscription. Wow! So when you do that, it's okay, because you just say, is it custom run? So first of all, I must change it to true here, because it's a custom. Of course it is. All this you don't change it, okay? Name reader, you just need to here change the name and say it will be a reader Azure and support ticket, for example. That's it. So it's very simple. Okay. And also what we need is to delete the ID, of course, because this is the ID from the reader one. So we go here and we will delete this here, this one. Okay, if you don't do that, of course it will not work. Huh? This is very important. So the name will be like this, and we'll go and delete directly this. Hopla, and that's it. Thank you. Okay, so is custom? Yes, it's a custom rule. I go here, and okay, let view everything and also support. Okay, so let view everything, and open a support ticket with Microsoft. Okay, and that's it. So wow, this is amazing. Okay, so now we will take this file, okay, and save it. Oh shit, I'm stupid because I was not in admin. So I'm going to take all this, and save it. So save, yes, yes. Okay, that's better. So here is it. And now I am in admin mode, so I can save it directly. Okay. So now if I go here and I do a cat C and I go here and I type my my reader, you will see that of course everything is okay. So now we're going to create a new role. So new Azure role definition, and we will input the file. Hope that there is no mistake in the file. And I will say reader. Okay, that's it. So now it's fantastic. Okay, so now we can go here and do a get Azure role definition, and of course we can find all the role definition with that custom is true. So I'll go here and do that, and if you do that you will see that this is the custom one. So after, of course, you can go directly on your role, and so let's go on my GUI here. No, it's not this one, it's this one. And I can go here and I can see all my role. Of course, for that I can go in Azure AD here, and I can go my user. Oh no, the best thing is not here. The best thing to do that is to go on one of your resource group, and you will see the role. Let's go. Let's take challenge here, and here you will see the role. Okay, so role assignment. You can do add, for example, add role assignment, and here you will see your reader. Okay, so I assign to and insert a role here, and you will see the role we just created. Okay, so the name is reader something. So this is amazing. Okay, and here's it, and support ticket. Okay, so this is okay, so you can see that now we can say okay, AB here will have this role. Okay, so this was the challenge of the day. So hope that you found it. Okay, so that's all for today, and please try to answer the next challenge. Bye bye.